स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो दैट द सिलेबस, अभी हमने देखा था स्टूडेंट सिलेबस क्या है. यूनिट 1 टेक अ वेरी high weightage of marks. This is a 24. So start the unit 1. Now in the unit 1 I can give you the formula of a derivative, means differentiation. Now let's see the list of a standard derivatives. Unit 1, differential calculus. Now standard derivatives or a for rule or a formula that is same. So derivative के लिए फर्स्ट रूल है d by dx k is equal to 0. Here take 0, but how? d by dx of k is equal to 0 means इस k को हम डेरिवेटिव करेंगे, मीन्स डिफ्रेंशिएशन करेंगे d by dx. Here d by dx means डेरिवेटिव, d by डेरिवेटिव और डिफ्रेंशिएशन k को करेंगे तो उसकी वैल्यू 0 होती है, बिकॉज k आर हियर कांस्टेंट, k इज अ कांस्टेंट. हियर k नॉट इक्वल टू 0 एंड k बिलोंग इन r एंड k इज अ कांस्टेंट. सो एग्जांपल देखते हैं. ये कांस्टेंट मीन्स क्या आएगा, 3 रह सकता है या पाई रह सकता है. सो d by ds डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ 3 यहाँ पे कांस्टेंट है, सो इज इक्वल टू 0. and d by dr differentiate with r and here differentiate with s. so pi को differentiate करेंगे i से r से, so d by dr differentiate pi, d by dr pi is equal to 0 because of here 3 and here pi are constant. because हम differentiate with x कर रहे हैं, इधर x ही नहीं है तो differentiate नहीं हो सकता, इसलिए k is a constant, so their value is 0. Then second, d by dx of x. अब ये x here constant नहीं है बिकॉज हम डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ x कर रहे हैं, सो उसकी वैल्यू 1 आएगी. हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं dx by dx that is a 1. so d by dp of p is equal to 1. हियर ऑल्सो सेम, आर को हम डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ आर करेंगे तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 आएगी. कोई भी वैल्यू होगी उसकी डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ उसी वैल्यू से करेंगे तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 आएगी. मीन्स एक्स, हियर एक्स को हम डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ एक्स कर रहे हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 आएगी. इधर हमने z लिखा, z को डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ एक्स कर रहे हैं तो z यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा, तो उसकी वैल्यू 0 आएगी. तो इधर x है और डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ x कर रहे हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 होगी. तो आगे देखते हैं. देन थर्ड, d by dx k x. वी नो दैट k इज अ कांस्टेंट तो 0 हो जाएगा, बट हियर अनदर इज अ x, ये मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा है k and x. सो k इज अ कांस्टेंट, so we take outside d by dx of x. we know that the value of d by dx that is 1, so kx, so last value is k. so means d by dx of kx value is k. only हमको ये ध्यान में रखना है, this equal to this. so d by dx of 2x, suppose हमको ऐसा में आया कि 2x, here 2 is a constant, so we write here 2 d by dx of x means 2 multiply by 1 means answer is 2. so 2x को हम डिफ्रेंशिएट कर रहे हैं dx x से, डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ x, सो उसकी वैल्यू 2 आई. मीन्स हियर कैसे बोलेंगे, y इज इक्वल टू 2x, ये फंक्शन दिया होगा y इज इक्वल टू 2x, इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ x से करना है. तो मीन्स d by dx, किसको डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है, x से y को मीन्स ये पूरा y इज इक्वल y मतलब क्या है, 2x है, सो y को डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे मीन्स डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ 2x, डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ 2x, तो ये हमको वैल्यू मिलेगी. नाउ फोर्थ वन, डी बाई डी एक्स एक्स एस टू n, that is n multiplied by x raised to n minus 1. Here n is a rational, positive, negative, fractional. So n क्या हो सकता है? पॉजिटिव हो सकता है, निगेटिव हो सकता है, फ्रैक्शनल हो सकता है, फ्रैक्शन हो सकता है, कोई भी हो सकता है. सो x raised to n रहेगा मीन्स x raised to any नंबर रहेगा, तो उसको हम डिफ्रेंशिएट कैसे करेंगे? n मल्टीप्लाई बाय x raised to n minus 1. जस्ट एग्जाम्पल, y इज इक्वल टू एक्स रेस टू 3 दिया हुआ है, हमको डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ x करना है, मीन यहाँ पे देखने का डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ x करने का है. तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? डी वाई बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू, अभी y की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, दैट इज x रेस टू 3. नाउ हियर लेट्स सी x रेस टू n, सो n की जगह हम पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ 3. So then here n means 3x raised to 3 minus 1, that is 3x raised to 2 means x square, so 3x square. इसकी y is equal to x cube. Here y is equal to x cube का डिफ्रेंशिएशन क्या है? 3x square means dy by dx इज इक्वल टू 3x स्क्वेयर. सो इसे हमको यूज करना है. देन फिफ्थ वन, डी बाई डी एक्स के मल्टीप्लाई बाय एक्स इज टू द n. हियर वी नो दैट k इज अ कांस्टेंट, सो सेम हियर k outside and differentiate with x raised to n. We know that x raised to n means n multiplied by x raised to the n minus 1. Then another, d by dx differentiate with x 1 divided by x raised to the n. तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी? माइनस n डिवाइडेड बाय x टू द पावर n प्लस 1. सो ये कैसा आया? d by dx 1 डिवाइडेड बाय x raised to n. We know that this means this, ये हमको मालूम है, ये हमने कैसे लिखा? बिकॉज ऑफ x raised to n comes upper side, so inverse of that means x raised to the minus n. So minus n. So now we apply this rule, this one rule. So that is here minus n, so we take here minus n because we are take here n is a positive, so n is also negative, so minus n and x n minus 1. जो भी n रहेगा उसको हम माइनस n लेते हैं, मीन्स माइनस n को -1 लेते हैं. सो इधर हियर भी -1 लिया, देन माइनस n एंड इसमें से -1 माइनस कॉमन आउटसाइड, देन n प्लस 1. सो these are inverse, we know that. So again we can write this term in divided by x to the n plus x raised to n plus 1. So same minus n divided by x to the x raised to n plus 1. And 7 d by dx k x raised to n. So same formula, k is a constant, so take outside, so minus k dot means multiply by n divided by x raised to n plus 1. So n plus 1 हमको मालूम पड़ा है कैसा आया. फर्स्ट दिस टर्म we write this one, then solve this one, and these are we can also write in divided by. So x raised to n plus 1. So we know that how to come this. Then 8 1 d by dx 1 divided by x. So 1 divided by x, 1 divided by x को डिराइव करेंगे, मीन्स डिफ्रेंशिएशन विथ x करेंगे. सो -1 raised to x square. How to come? Let's see. d by dx 1 divided by x is equal to d by dx. So 1 divided by x means we can also write x raised to -1. So x raised to -1. We know that here n means -1. So take -1 x -1 and -1. We know that the formula x of n -1, here n means -1, so we write here -1, and n -1 means -1 -1. So -1 -1 means we take addition but they get a minus sign, so -2. So -1 x raised to -2. So x raised to -2 means here x raised to -2 means 1 upon x square. So 1 upon x square multiplied by -1 means -1 divided by x square. So that is -1 divided by x square. And 9th, so same here, d by dx k divided by x means minus k divided by x square. We know that 1 upon x means -1 divided by x square, and here the k is a constant, so k divided by x square minus k divided by x square. ये वैल्यू कैसे ली? ये 1 अपॉन x को डिफ्रेंशिएट किया मीन्स डी बाई डी एक्स किया, तो हमको ये वैल्यू मिलती है. देन अंडर रूट ऑफ x को डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ x किया. डिफ्रेंशिएट मीन्स ये डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ x, यार डिफ्रेंशिएट बोल रहा हूँ इसलिए हम इधर x लिख रहे हैं. डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ y लिखा तो y. सो डी बाई डी एक्स मीन्स डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ x, अंडर रूट को डिफ्रेंशिएट किया, सो उसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 अंडर रूट ऑफ x. सो 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय अंडर रूट ऑफ x. So let's see how to come it. So d by dx of under root x, we know that how to write under root of x means x to the power half means 1 by 2. So then apply the d by dx of x raised to the n. So here n x to the power n minus 1, here n is a half, so half x to the half minus 1. So ये half minus 1 कैसे लिखेंगे? 1 minus 2 divided by 2, and here half is same half, and x raised to the minus 1 and half. So x raised to the x raised to the minus half means we can write negative come in the denominator. So 1 divided by 2 x raised to the half. So ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, so half, and half means under root. We are see here half means under root, so 2 under root x. So 1 divided by 2 under root x. Then another, differentiate with x e raised to the x. So e raised to the x को हम differentiate करेंगे तो वही वैल्यू आएगी, because of e is a constant and here x भी दिया हुआ है, so x को differentiate करेंगे, so constant भी है उसका, x है raised to x है, and x को हमको differentiate करना है, so वो same वैल्यू रहेगी, so that is the same. So d by dx of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. Now d by dx of a raised to x means a raised to x multiplied by log of a to the base e. Here a is a not equal to 0 and not equal to 1. A belong in a R, and a always greater than 0. Not equal to 0, not equal to 1, and always greater than 0. So a raised to the x multiplied by log of a to the base e. Now d by dx means differentiate with x log of x to the base e, log of x, so 1 by x। ये हमको ध्यान में रखना है, जब log of x आएगा तो 1 by x, तब log of x को डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ x करेंगे तो 1 by x, and here x is always positive number, means greater than 0, positive number। then d by dx of log of mod of x base e, so same 1 upon x, and here x not equal to 0, वो नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, because of negative x in a mod, so always positive, so answer is 1 divided by x। then d by dx of log of x to the base a, now here base is a, so we are simplify, here base is e, so we can write directly this term, but here base is a, so log of x to the base a, so this term we can write this one by rule of change of base, by rule of change of base we are already studying in semester 1, so that is the formula, log of log of x to the base e, and here log of a to the base e, so this term is a constant, means 1 divided by log of a to the base e is a term constant, so take outside, and d by dx of log of x to the base e, this term, and log of x to the base e, we know that is the value of 1 by x, so 1 by x, log of x to the base a means this term we are derivative, so that gives 1 divided by log of a to the base e multiplied by 1 divided by x। then trigonometric, we are derivative of trigonometric, differentiate with x, trigonometric को differentiate करेंगे, then d by dx of sin of x, so they give cos of x, and d by dx of cos of x, so they give sin of x, and d by dx of tan of x, so they give 6 square of x square, then d by dx of cot of x minus cosec of x, and d by dx of sec of x, so sec of x multiplied by tan of x, and d by dx of cosec of x minus cosec of x multiplied by cot of x। so some example of this was some type, sin of x plus cos of x, now y is equal to sin of x cos of x, find the derivative of this one with respect to x, so हमको this type के सम सॉल्व करने हैं, means sin of x means cos of x, sin of x means cos of x plus d by dx of cos of x, means there is a minus sin of x, means cos of x minus sin of x, that is the answer of this sum। then we are practice and by heart these formulas, and another one is the inverse of sine, means sine inverse d by dx of sine inverse of x, so they give 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square, now here cos inverse of x, d by dx of cos inverse of x, so 1 minus divided by under root 1 minus x square, here both the values are same, only sign are changed, here positive and here negative because of sin and cos, okay, here sin, so they get positive sign, and cos, so they get negative sign, so ऐसे हम ऐसा लॉजिक लगा के ध्यान में रख सकते हैं। then tan inverse of x, so they give 1 divided by 1 plus x square, d by dx of tan inverse of x, so that is 1 divided by 1 plus x, and cot inverse of x, so minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So here also same here, this term is a positive and this is a negative, only one sign are changed. In here d by dx of sec inverse of x, so they give 1 divided by x multiplied by under root x square minus 1, and here cos x inverse of x is equal to 1 divided by x multiplied by under root x square minus 1. So there are 27 formulas, means there are 27 rule of a differentiation means derivatives. Now here a derivative of a trigonometrics, means this one all of these trigonometric function beginning with c, means beginning with c with letter c, there are all are negative, means in a trigonometric beginning letter c all are negative, means beginning letter of c all are negative, आंसर इज नेगेटिव. मीन्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में जिसका स्टार्टिंग सी से हो रहा है लेटर, तो उसका आंसर नेगेटिव आ रहा है. देखो हियर ऑल्सो, हियर ऑल्सो, हियर ऑल्सो एंड हियर ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ दिस फॉर्मूले मीन्स दिस फॉर्मूले फॉर डेरिवेटिव्स. So you are practice it, learn it and by heart it.